Hello friends, so welcome to this lecture on Azure Sentinel. So in this particular lecture, we'll discuss about the Azure Sentinel overview. See, in the previous lecture, we have already discussed about the SIM and what are the different type of SIM we have in market. So just to give you an overview, we discussed that SIM is a kind of, you can say, a tool which includes event collection, reporting of issues, or mapping of diverse information from your various assets, and basically represent to some consistent terminology. So Azure Sentinel is nothing but a cloud native SIM which is native to your Azure and a SIM service which is available in your Azure portal. Like let's say if you open into Azure portal, you'll be able to see that other services like we have Azure Security Center, we have Azure Policies or your virtual machine storage account. So similarly, you can open the Azure Sentinel from within the Azure portal itself. The other is the Azure Sentinel can connect all your organization assets whether on-premise or any cloud. See, Sentinel is not limited to monitoring of your Azure cloud only. It can collect log information from any sources. It could be from other cloud, it could be Google, AWS, or your on-premise system as well. So in that way, it will help you to get a full coverage of your hybrid and multi-cloud environment. Now the other is it is in addition to all the capabilities, it has built-in AI and machine learning capabilities which deliver accurate data for the analyst. See, Sentinel will help the analyst or the organization by making information more manageable with the machine learning, including built-in machine learning and operational module which it has. We'll discuss in the lectures called Fusion. So third parties can build your own, build your own machine learning, and they'll basically help in recognize the pattern, especially suspicious, such as logging in from unusual IP addresses, and let's say if there is any kind of massive download is coming. So in that case, what it will do is use this feature. Basically, Sentinel takes it a large volume of incoming information and correlate into different cases. Like let's say a case one could be a group of related events that point to a similar kind of problem. Let's say if there is attack related to some web server or some let's say other applications. In that case, it will help to correlate such kind of events, and similarly it can make or create a group of such events depending on the information. So what it will help the analysis, basically it reduces the alert fatigue where administrators receive many redundant alerts. So with the help of machine learning, it would be easier to work on the alerts because it will group the alerts, provide the accurate information, and you'll get a more manageable data. The other is it provides intelligent security and threat intelligence. See, we already know that Microsoft has invested around 1 billion into the cybersecurity. More than 3,000 experts are already working and getting information from the diverse applications, or you can say signals they are having, like Xbox applications which are being used in the Microsoft. So all that data is being collected, and on the basis of that, Microsoft can give you the information and help you to find out the malicious links and information which can harm your infrastructure. So that is the beauty, because Microsoft is already having a huge investment within the cybersecurity, and they are having that skilled workforce which can help that. See, the other very good feature we have is SOAR capability, like security automation and orchestration. See, with the help of which administrators will be able to automate a couple of things in case of certain events or some malicious activities happening rather than doing manual work. So, for example, you can create you can use playbooks or let's say logic app and create a rule. Basically, if such kind of event is coming, in that case it can automatically create a ticket with the ServiceNow. So the integration with the different tools like ServiceNow can be done, and a function within a logic app can be created which can do that particular thing. See, the another feature we have is the visualize the entire attack at its impact. And there are different methods with the help of which administrator can define the filter criteria depending on the severity and other alerting information. So basically, the administrator looking at a particular case can, they can further deep down by clicking on investigate button to get more information. At the same time, it is possible to run a playbook. So in that case, there are capabilities within the Azure Sentinel where it can show you the full graph and the full path that, okay, how this particular attack is happening, and give a full information about the attack or alert once you click on that. So this is it, friends, in this lecture. In this lecture, we discussed about the Azure Sentinel, and we discussed about its different capabilities, what it can do, and how it can correlate uh, with the applications or your on-premise infrastructure and other features. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this lecture. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.